Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll discuss how to calculate ESI monthly contribution. The scheme ESI is managed by Employee State Insurance Corporation, that is the government body, and it is governed by ESI Act 1948, which we have already discussed in our previous videos. The Employee State Insurance ESI is a contributory fund that enables Indian employees to participate in a self-financed healthcare insurance fund with contribution both by the employer and the employee, which means the contribution of ESI is from both employee and employer. ESI is calculated on gross pay, whereas employee contribution is 0.75% of the gross pay and employer contribution is 3.25% of the gross pay. And the employees who are covered under ESI should draw a gross salary less than or equal to 21,000 per month. In this example, the gross salary of an employee is 15,000, wherein employee contribution is 0.75% of 15,000 is 112 rupees 50 paise, whereas employee contribution, that is 3.75% of the 15,000 is 487.50 paise. The total contribution for this employee is 112.50 plus 487.50, that is in total 600 rupees will be contributed to ESI for that specific month. ESI contribution and benefit period. ESI contribution period is from 1st April to 30th April and 1st October to 31st of March of the following year, whereas benefit period of ESI is from 1st January of the following year to 30th June and from 1st of July to 31st of December. Step-by-step process to calculate ESI monthly contribution. Now we have come to a step where we need to calculate monthly contribution of ESI. In this video, we'll be discussing both theoretical as well as practically how to calculate ESI monthly contribution. Let us now first discuss theoretically, then will be followed by practically later. Firstly, for calculating ESI monthly contribution of employees and employers, there is a specific format of Excel sheet to be filled. We can get this Excel sheet template from ESI employer portal. So we need to open ESI portal, that is www.esi.in. Click on employer login and enter ESI username and password followed by captcha code. After logging into the portal, under the category monthly contribution, click on the link file monthly contributions. Once this link is clicked, a new window will open as monthly contribution with contribution details showing two options links, that is upload Excel and sample monthly contribution Excel template. As we are not ready with the monthly contribution yet, we should not click the upload Excel. Instead, click on the sample monthly contribution Excel template. Now click on sample MC or monthly contribution Excel template and download the Excel sheet. This sample monthly contribution Excel template consists of the following 6 fields which need to be filled, that is insurance person number or IP number, IP name, number of days wages paid, total monthly wages, reason code for 0 working, and finally the last working day. After filling above details, all the columns of the Excel sheet separately should be selected and formatted to text by clicking on data option in the Excel followed by clicking on text to column. A new window will open, then click on next button for 2 times or 2 steps, and in the third step select the format as text and click on finish button and then save the Excel document. Now the ESI monthly contribution data is ready to upload. After preparing the monthly challan, pay the challan and then file the returns. So dear friends, hope you understood the theoretical part how to calculate the ESI monthly contribution by downloading the Excel sheet and filling and uploading the same to the ESI portal. Let us now see practically how to do this. Open the search engine Google, enter ESI login, click on the website ESIC, come to the category employer login. Now we need to enter the username, enter the password, then captcha, then click on login. Now we have entered into employer login portal. Close these windows which are not important. Now we need to see the monthly contribution column. In this, we need to click on file monthly contributions. As we are generating the data for monthly contribution, click on file monthly contribution. After clicking on monthly contributions, a new window will open wherein we'll be having the details like contribution details, contribution type, employee code, upload your data. Here we need to select the month and year, then we need to upload the Excel for paying the ESI and filing returns. But we don't have the Excel format as of now. So we need to click on sample MC Excel template, which we need to download and enter the details. First, let us click on sample MC Excel template. Click on save. The data is saved with the name MC template 1. If you open this template, it will be consisting all the reasons, codes and notes, and in sheet 1 we will be having the 6 columns what we have discussed, like the IP number, IP name, number of days for which wages are payable for during that month, and total monthly wages, then the reason code for 0 working days, then finally the last working day. So we need to fill all these details and upload the Excel into the ESI portal. For you, I have entered all the details in the Excel sheet and kept it ready. I'll show you the Excel sheet. Here you can see the insurance number what I have entered for all these 10 employees, and the name of the employees, and the number of days for which the wages are paid. Here the number of days we are calculating for January. So here the number of days what they have worked is 31, 28, 15, 31, 20, 31, 15. So accordingly the salaries are calculated. Here we can see 3 employees left the organization, and the reason is left service. So we need to put the code as 2 and the last working day when they left the organization. And so I have kept the number of working days as 0, because this calculation we are doing it for January month, whereas they left in the month of December. Then comes the option 4. Here there are 2 employees whose salary has been increased. As the ceiling is for 21,000, here the salaries of these 2 employees are 25,000 and 21,000. So I have entered the code as 4, which means out of coverage. That is, their salary is more than the coverage, and from which date the salary has been revised, that is from 1st of January and 1st of December. So now this data is ready, but then we need to change this format to number format to text format. So we need to click on the column, then go to data, then come to text to columns, as we need to convert this to text. So click on next button, then again next button, then select the text option, then click on finish button. Repeat the same for all the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll show it again for you. Click on this column, click on data option, then come to text to columns, then click on next, again next, then select the option text because we want to convert this data to text format, then click on finish button. Then finally all the data is converted to text format, click on save. Continue. Now the data is successfully saved. So dear friends, we have seen the practical calculation of ESI monthly contribution, where the text format of the Excel sheet is ready to upload for paying the ESI contribution, generate the challan, and pay the monthly contribution and file the returns. So we have seen the step-by-step process to calculate ESI monthly contribution, both theoretical as well as practically. If you have any queries or questions about this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. So dear friends, we have seen the practical calculation of ESI monthly contribution, where the text format of the Excel sheet is ready to upload for paying the ESI contribution, generate the challan, and pay the monthly contribution and file the returns. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.